Now what we're going to do, that we have our diamond shape located here. Look down here on the table and you'll see. We're going to take this, we're just going to unfold it back out the way it was. We just needed the crease that it created for us. There we go. I'll open that up a bit so it's freed up again. What we're going to do is we're going to take this side right here, we're going to open it up. We're going to just flatten it here. It's going to take a little bit of working with to actually get it to flatten correctly. A little patience, a little time. And if it doesn't come out too correctly, that's all right. We got it going on. Just take it and we'll just fold it back over. Just give us that smaller diamond shape. We're going to do the same thing over here. We'll take it, we'll flatten it out, and we'll fold it back over.